Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today you decided how I would reroot my doll. I wanted to reroot my Rosabella Beauty doll from Ever After High because her original hair was rooted pretty thinly and I didn't really love her original hair colors that much. So I went on Instagram and asked you to decide how I should reroot my doll. As always, I start by cutting off the hair as short as I can. I dip the head in boiling water to remove the head from the body and use tweezers to scrape the inside of the head and take out the hair from the inside. Then I posted an Instagram story asking you what color I should give her. Most votes went to either brown or red, so I decided to give her this burgundy red brownish color. After rerooting the hairline, I went on Insta stories again and asked you where I should part her hair. Since there was no big majority, I wanted to give everyone what they wanted. So I decided to make 3 parts on this doll. One on either side and one in the middle. If you want to get a closer look on how I reroot these parts, make sure to click the iCard to go to my parting tutorial. Giving her 3 parts gives me the possibility to style her hair in a middle part and a side part and do several hairstyles on her that require neat parts. After rerooting the rest of the hair like normally, I glue the hair in place, put the head back on the body, and then it's time to style the hair. I went to Instagram again and asked you if I should curl the hair or keep it straight, and this time you guys really couldn't decide. Because I can always curl the hair later, I decided to keep Rosabella's hair straight, for now. After boil washing the hair, I Dutch braided the top of the hair into 2 braids to show off her parting options and added some small braids in the hair as well. I really hope you guys like how this reroot turned out. If you do, make sure to leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my reroots, make sure to follow me on Instagram @TheDollBoy. See you next time!